Okay, just creating a quick video here, mostly for myself, because if I ever need to do this again, I'd like to be able to just reference this video. So we're going to be creating a curtain here. So the first thing I want to do, I want to delete everything. I'm gonna add a mesh plane. I'm gonna rotate this on the X by 90. Press 1 on my keyboard. Make sure this is on. Okay. So I'm gonna move this up. I'm gonna scale this on the Z by 2. And alright, what I want to do as well is put some loop cuts about 12 by 10. Okay. And then I want to select the top ones and create a vertex group for them. Assign. Let's take a look to see if it's working. Okay. So that's working. Particle system, physics, cloth, quality set to 8. Pin group to the vertex group. Collisions set to 4. Self collision. Okay. So now what I also want to do is create some shape keys. I want to select these two over here, cursor to selected, and then I'm going to shift the pivot point to 3D cursor, select everything, and scale on the X, just so it sits like this. Okay, so let's check that key. Okay, it's working as expected. What we're going to do now is put a keyframe here. Move to 20, put another keyframe, move to 40, and then set the value to 1 and put a keyframe there. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, so it's working. I'm going to shade smooth the object, and I want to add a sub division surface modifier, value of 2, push this up, and try this again. Okay, so that's pretty good. So what I would want to do now, if I wanted to duplicate this, is I come over here, remove the shape keys, oops, and then apply all modifiers, Shift D, X, Control M on the, maybe this, is it the Y, is it the X? Let's see. Yes. And there we have it. A mirror of the curtain. So if you like this tutorial, you know what to do. Just hit the button, and hopefully in the future I'll come up with more. Thank you.